Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 4. Our group consists of 4 members, which is me, Aina Farhana Binti Hadi, Ahmad Harith, Muhammad Aslah, and Nurain Raniya. Our group will present about drugs and brain. The brain is placed in the top, usually just about the sensory organ for sensation, for example, imagination. The most complex organ in the structure of a vertebrate is the brain. In a man, this cerebral cortex contains about 10 billion to 20 billion neurons, and the estimated number of neurons in this cerebellum is around 55 billion to 70 billion. The neurotransmitter has been released by neuron and travel to the synapse, where it happens in between the neuron and the following cells. The neurotransmitter passes across the synapse and binds with a key to the receptor on the receiving neuron. Thus, this triggers a difference in the acquired cell. Then, the neurotransmitter is processed by the molecule, or also known as the transporters, which drive the molecule to the neuron reversely. Therefore, the signal among both neurons is restricted or shut down. In pharmacology, the drug is a material product with a specified composition, except for the content of essential nutritional components, which, when given to a living organism, it induces a biological result. Traditionally, medicine have been received by elimination from medical plants, but later, the basic justification has also been used. Pharmaceutical medication may be used for a short duration or for degenerative disease.
Treating drug abuse and addiction. Therapeutic community. Drugs has been one of the substances which can cause central nervous system in the brain to be inoperative well. According to Volko, there are some solutions on how to cure the drug abuse and addicts. Firstly, behavioral treatment is one of the clinical solutions for us to be more aware on public health and safety. The behavioral treatment comes with several therapies, such as number 1, cognitive therapies, which cover skills on how to decide. Number 2, motivational therapies, which improve the moral support. And number 3 is contingency management therapies, which strengthen the behavior to commute the scientific problems. As the revolutions of society, therapeutic community has been created. Therapeutic community helps and gives the directions towards the problematic drug abuse and addicts with different background, attitudes, gender, and behavior. Self-help programs like Alcoholic Anonymous and Smart Recovery are some of the activities for them to treat and help the drug addicts. This treatment can be proof that community plays important role for us to decrease the number of drug addicts and abuse.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Aslah from HRD Year 1. I would like to present about good and bad side of smart drugs. Drugs can affect major problems to cognitive side of human brain. According to CB template, brains imply various points that gives command towards different part of body, provide skills to be a rational and make a decision, and extract towards emotion retort. The brain, which holds a key role such as cerebral cortex and brainstem, memorize the activities that can bring happiness to us, to encourage us, and avoid those that can create negative feeling. Initially, when a person consumes a drug, it can interfere usual command towards brain. Thus, there are few drugs imitate the natural how neuron transmitted and cause brain to produce different types of hormone and neuron. For example, taking marijuana can enhance the activation of dopamine, which can lead to a person become lightened. This relaxing sensation will easily store in our memory, and brain will trigger this sensation to encourage us to take marijuana again. On the other hand, there are drugs that can enhance human cognitive capabilities. For example, a concept from neuroenhancement stated by Alison Abrams, substances which utilize to cognitive enhancement such as memory, focus, and attention. For example, modafinil, also known as Provigil, is an impulse which can be classified as genius pill. Initially, it is being treated with enhancement functionally for sleep disorder, or it acts as prescribed to pilots, judges, and scientists for their enhancement of memory, attention, and focus.